Hey everybody, I'm Jason Sloan here with my good friend Mike Cleary. We're here at the Sonance Studio in San Clemente, California.
We know that so many of you have been with us over the years, hanging out, enjoying this space. Well, we're looking forward to doing that again. But until we can invite you back in, we thought we'd show you what we've been up to.
Yeah, let's get after it, Mike. How good does that studio look? We're so incredibly proud of the team that got us to this point. I'm coming to you in front of our pillars wall. This is the wall where we like to start every conversation about our company because it really highlights the three fundamental things that our company believes in. The first is that we want to design products to disappear. That simple concept created the company 37 years ago and will take us forward with the introduction of our brand new Invisible Series loudspeakers featuring Motion Flex technology. So incredibly excited about those. We also believe in authentic partnership. And this idea extends beyond just selling you products, selling you boxes. It's this idea that we want to partner with your company at an intrinsic level, understand what motivates, what drives you, and offer value in new stories and strategies that help you connect your customer with your company. Our third and final pillar is a heritage of innovation. And that really speaks to not only how the company started, but the direction in the future of our company. And we're excited to show you that with a tour of our mezzanine in the Sonance Studio.